This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cut potatoes to make potato salad. First, choose the right potatoes. Firm, medium-sized varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes work wonderfully. Next, give them a good wash under cool running water, scrubbing away any dirt. You can peel them now if your recipe calls for it, or leave the skins on for extra texture and nutrients. This initial preparation is key for a delicious potato salad. After washing, if you're peeling, use a sharp vegetable peeler to remove the skins efficiently. For larger potatoes, it's often easiest to cut them in half lengthwise first. This gives you a flatter, more stable surface to work with. The goal here is to create pieces that are roughly uniform in size, which ensures even cooking and a consistent texture in your finished potato salad. Now for the dicing. Take your potato halves or peeled whole potatoes and slice them into uniform planks, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick. Stack a few of these planks carefully, then cut them into strips, again about 1/2 inch wide. Finally, dice these strips into 1/2 inch cubes. This consistent sizing is crucial for ensuring every piece cooks through at the same rate, preventing some pieces from being mushy while others are still firm. Once diced, place your potato cubes into a pot of cold, salted water. Bring it to a boil and cook until the potatoes are fork tender, which usually takes about 10 minutes, depending on their size. Be careful not to overcook them. Drain them thoroughly and let them cool completely before mixing with your dressing. This prevents a watery salad. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.